Welcome back, everyone. We're jumping straight in today,
Yep, ready to go.
and we're drawing our insights, as always, from the AI Agent Store, the place we rely on for info on these powerful tools.
Right. And today we're looking at Zoho Zia. The source is listed as a productivity agent.
Productivity agent. Okay.
Yeah, and our goal here is really to unpack how this AI assistant manages to work across that big Zoho ecosystem.
The whole business suite, right?
Exactly. It's meant to be a shortcut to, helpful context without being too much for the user.
Okay, so let's get into Zia itself. It's pitched as this cross-suite assistant, embedded in, well, multiple Zoho apps. You've got sales, customer support, even writing tools.
Yeah, it's sort of working behind the scenes constantly, offering predictions, generative help, that kind of thing.
And what's the value proposition here? What jumps out?
Well, the sources really highlight the pricing model, or rather, how it's included.
Included.
Yeah, Zia is built to be value-centric, contextual AI. That means it comes with your existing Zoho subscription.
Ah, okay. So you're not paying extra for every little AI task, like per-use fees.
Exactly. No separate per-use charges for interactions. It's part of the package.
That seems like a smart move. It lowers the barrier, right? Especially for team leads. The sources mention them specifically.
Right, they're flagged as the ideal audience.
Because if it's already there, built in, they're probably much more likely to actually use these AI features instead of, worrying about costs racking up.
That's the idea. Pervasive, affordable AI integration.
Okay, makes sense. So functionality. What can it actually do?
Well, it does quite a bit across the different apps.
Like in the CRM, what's it doing there? Because CRM functions can get pretty technical.
For sure. In Zoho CRM, it handles things like lead scoring, deal scoring, the important but sometimes tedious stuff.
Okay.
And interestingly, anomaly detection. It can spot if a key sales metric suddenly drops off.
Oh, wow. Like an early warning system?
Kind of, yeah. Alerts the team lead. Plus, you have the conversational Ask Zia for quick data lookups.
That anomaly detection alone. That sounds really valuable. Could save a lot of time digging through reports.
Definitely. And then connect that to customer support. In Zoho Desk, it helps analyze the intent behind a support ticket.
The intent and sentiment.
Yep. So agents can get straight to the point, and Zia even suggests generative responses. Speeds things up.
Okay, CRM, desk. What about writing?
In Zoho Writer, it's an assistant for drafting, editing, and, interestingly, multilingual grammar checks.
Multilingual. That's quite specific.
Yeah. Seems important for global consistency in COSLA.
So it's doing all this. CRM analysis, support suggestions, grammar checks. It sounds, well, complex. How autonomous is it? Does it run itself or?
That's a good question. The sources actually give it a number, 69% autonomy level.
69%. What does that mean practically?
It means it's heavily automated for defined tasks, scoring leads, drafting replies, that sort of thing. But there's still a significant chunk, that other 31%, that relies on human oversight and final decisions. It's classified as a hybrid AI system.
Hybrid. Okay. What makes it hybrid?
It's basically built on 3 pillars. Zia Skills for the routine automations, Ask Zia for the conversational queries we mentioned,
Right.
and Zia Agents, which lets users set up more complex custom workflows. So it handles simple stuff and allows for deeper customization.
Got it. Let's talk perception then. We know it's paid, it's closed source, but the popularity is listed at 71%, which seems pretty high for something you have to pay for in a world with free alternatives. Why is that?
Well, the community feedback seems to explain it. Users really seem to value Zia, especially its deep integration within the CRM.
So the integration is the key selling point.
It seems so. They praise the advanced automation, the customization options, and the fact that it's all affordable within that Zoho ecosystem.
Right, so for small and medium businesses particularly.
Exactly. They get powerful features without needing to juggle like a dozen different third-party tools. The seamlessness outweighs the free aspect of alternatives for many.
That makes a lot of sense. The value of it just working inside the platform they already use.
Pers-
So maybe something for you listening to think about today. How much value do you put on that kind of embedded contextual AI, the kind that's just there in your platform, versus having to manage separate tools and maybe per-use costs for every AI feature?
It's a really interesting trade-off to consider.
Definitely. If you want to read more about Zoho Zia or check out other productivity agents, you can find the details over at aiagentstore.ai.
And thanks for tuning into our conversation today. If you found it useful, we'd really appreciate it if you took a moment to rate it.